Hey, how's it going? What you doing? Like what you see here? Has Canon created the perfect camera for content creators? Quite possibly. They quite possibly have. As a content creator, we have demands, we have needs. We need to create images with incredible resolution and video without limitations. It doesn't matter what your flavor of life is. The R6M2 now has tracking for dogs, cats, birds, sports cars, motorcycles, now with horses, airplanes, helicopters, and of course, trains. Okay, Canon, I like what I'm seeing here. 24 megapixels, 40 frames per second. That's a lot of frames per second. Movie mode, 4K 60 frames per second, Full HD 119 and 179 slow motion. Gone, 30-minute limitations. Canon sent me 2 of these and said, Sal, we want you to do your thing. So you know what? I want to make a little short today. We all have creative projects we want to work on. Maybe it's time to bring these creative projects to life and stop making excuses. So today, we're going to produce a little sci-fi short, something that I've always wanted to do, and see if this camera can bring my vision for both photo and video to life. Let's go. So far, shooting stills, camera's performing incredibly well. Now there is a difference, right? If you're using like the R5 or something like that, it's got CFast, whereas here we're using SD cards, right? So you can overwhelm that card if you overshoot. Haven't had that problem yet, but just something to be aware of. This is pretty cool. So to the question I asked when this video started, did Canon create the perfect camera for content creators? I'm gonna have to say yes, a resounding yes.